Processing alerts and issues from a multitude of monitoring tools can be daunting. Dashboards and ticketing systems aren't enough to get your team all caught up. An overwhelming flood of alerts from monitoring apps slows your team down. Your team is losing time correlating alerts from your infrastructure, network, and database tools rather than receiving actionable insights. The team triaging the issue has to jump between tools and doesn't have a comprehensive view of the progress, status, and resolution. Reduce the noise, triage issues faster, and fix problems more easily with ChatOps powered by Workbot and Slack. Automate workflows to summarize alerts to eliminate operational noise, detect problems earlier, and resolve them faster. Automatically correlate alerts across your tools and reference playbooks to give your team actionable insights in Slack. Focus on fixing your problems fast before your customers are impacted, rather than sifting through tickets. Build automations with Workbot to bring in relevant information from your monitoring tools like Splunk and issue tracking apps like ServiceNow, and notify incident managers using apps like PagerDuty, all through Slack. Stop jumping between tools. Give your team full visibility and the context they need to take action now. Automatically invite teams to dedicated channels in Slack and route incidents in real time to the right people so they can work together and resolve incidents faster. Give your teams the information they need from any device, anywhere. Quickly diagnose the root cause of any problem, regardless of source, with probable cause insights. Bring in useful historical context from your knowledge base to understand current problems. Less noise, faster fixes, and shorter outages and downtime. Scale your business by reducing your workload. Change your world with ChatOps and Slack. Request a demo today to get started.